Now it is going to be your turn. So remember, you're going to think about 6 interesting facts about yourself. You're going to create math facts about those interesting things. On the paper that I give you, you're going to write the math facts, draw or insert a picture, and then give the answer. And finally, you're going to have lots of fun doing this. Remember, here are different ideas for things that you can tell us about. You can tell us your age, your shoe size, your birth month, the number of people in your family, the number of pets you have, the number of letters in your name, the number of sports you play, the number of instruments you play, the number of languages you speak, how tall you are, your favorite number, the number of teachers you have, or if you want to do something different, that's completely fine also. Remember, your paper looks like this. So it's all about, you're going to type your name, and you're going to put a picture of yourself here. And then you're going to tell us 6 interesting facts about yourself. When you are completely done, you're going to turn it into Google Classroom. If you have any questions, ask your teachers. I'll see you later.